Good morning, everybody. It's Bill with Supreme Paver Experts. We are at a driveway sealing here this morning. It's just a small one, but let me walk you around and show you what we got going on right now. Not too bad. I don't believe these have ever been sealed since they put them down. But biggest problem is up here, all the weed and algae growing in between the cracks. So we gotta clear all that out. Get some new sand in, lay some sealer. These things will look absolutely beautiful. They'll really pop with the color enhancement in the sealer. But yep. All right. Well, today is Memorial Day, and we're out working, trying to get caught up here. So, all right, it's gonna be a hot one. Let's get moving. Okay, so we're back at our paver driveway sealing here this morning. Let me walk you around and show you what it looks like. Okay, so we're all cleaned up here. Just putting the sand down. This one's getting field stone sand here today. Be a nice blend match for these pavers. All right, so let's get busy. It's gonna be another hot one today. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here. Let me show you what it looked like. Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. The sun keeps going in and out of the clouds, but when it comes out, you can see a really nice shine on them. Color enhancement, just absolutely beautiful. All right, well, that's a wrap here in this driveway. This is Bill with Supreme Paver Experts. And these kind of results you're looking for in your driveway, you can give us a call, reach out 813-853-3557, or visit our website at www.supremetempabay.com. All right, we will see you at the next job.